Hello and good day. Today I would like to show you another device that is for sale by us, and it is the Inrico T529a. The same goes for the T199. So this review is basically covers the T199, which is a 3G device. The 529, as in this case, is a 4G device. So it is a LTE device with 4G and LTE capability, where the 199 is exactly the same battery, same charger, same form and everything. It is just a 3G device. So without any further ado, let's open up the box and see what's inside. It is packaged in a different type of packaging. What we have here is the radio itself. It seems to have 16 channels or 16 positions. Side accessories, which is obviously the same as the Kenwoods. There you will find that there's a SIM card, place for a SIM card, a single SIM card, and it uses not a nano but a mini SIM. Mini SIM, I do like the fact that it is covered by a little plastic sheath, if you like. Yes, and what I also do like immediately looking at the device is that the belt clip will be mounted onto the chassis and not onto the battery. Although the battery latch, as you can see, is on the housing itself, apart from that, it is a fairly standard two-way radio looking device. It also has a mini USB socket on the side to access the device and the settings. Yes, PDT button and two programmable side buttons and nothing on the top. Okay. Next up is the antenna. We have an antenna. Obviously, let me see if I can get it focused. Yes, I can get it focused. It says 2G, 3G, 4G, T199 antenna. It fits onto the SMA connector there. Next up, what we have inside the box is obviously the instruction manual, some stickers, and then also we have the charger, which is a drop-in type charger, which shows you charging and when it's complete. So it's one LED that'll show you the charging and when it's complete. It also uses a DC socket on the back. One problem I have actually found with these are that the input voltage of these are 5 volts. They are 5 volts and not 12 volt. The socket is the same as some of the 12 volt adapters you find, which is problematic with times, as people will tend to put the wrong one inside there and damage the inside of this device. The belt clip, as you can see, is to be mounted on the chassis, which I do certainly like a lot. Also, a carry strap is provided with the device, and if we can find the battery, this is the transformer, a standard USB type transformer. You can put that there, and let's see if we can find the battery. Haven't found the battery yet, but here's your adapter. Adapter fits into the charger on the one side, and as you can see, on the USB charger on the other side. Okay, now once we find the battery, There you go, the battery is in the bottom. What I do like about this device, we've used the 199s quite successfully before, is the charger. The battery has a charging port at the bottom with a little LED indicator light that has a red light LED or a green one once it's full. We'll also see that the battery capacity is huge on this device. 3.7 volt, 4000 milliampere hour battery. We use this on our own platform. There are some other platforms available. Our platform is Walkie Fleet, which we use with this device. I like that the battery slides on from the bottom and it locks in position. What we have found with some of these devices is if the customer pushes it down from here and pushes it up, it seems to damage the battery terminals there. So when fitting, keep it close there and just click it in position. As indicated before, the belt clip is mounted on the chassis and not on the battery, which is a good sign. And unfortunately, the battery latch is on the chassis. So if this device does get dropped and cracks in the bottom, you will see that the chassis needs to be replaced. Simple 16 positions, which can be programmed by your PDT service provider or software or over the air, depending on what you use. And straightforward volume control, on and off volume control. In this case, the radio is unprogrammed. I'm not sure what it is going to say. It's obviously not going to connect to any network at this point in time. There you go, the Inrico 529a. I'm not going to review the T199 as it is identical to this device in all respects, except the fact that it has different iOS, Android software programmed into the device, and that it is only a 3G, where this one is 4G and LTE. The rest of the devices are identical. The battery is the same, the charger is the same, the housing is the same, the antenna, even the knobs and everything is the same. So the T199 is the older version, where the 529A is the later version. Thank you for watching, and you're welcome to leave any comments, suggestions, and maybe requests in the comments below.